Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with a ready device and your goal in mind. First, charge or plug in so power won't interrupt you, then press on and wait for the home screen. Once you see it, press Dock to create a new document or choose Open to load an existing file. Make sure you pick the correct document type, calculator, graphs, notes, so tools load properly. This initial step sets the workspace. Do it deliberately so later steps run smoothly without wasted time. Once you have a document, insert the pages you need. Choose Add and pick Calculator, Graphs, or Lists in Spreadsheet. You'll switch apps often, so press Menu inside each app to reveal functions like Plot, Solve, or Pivot. Use Define to create variables or Link to connect a spreadsheet cell to a graph. This keeps values dynamic. Make sure to name variables clearly and organize pages in order of workflow. That structure speeds navigation. Now perform your calculations and visualizations. Type expressions and press Enter, or set graph parameters and press Enter to redraw. Save frequently. Use Doc Save or Ctrl+S and include version tags like V1, V2 so you can revert. When finished, export or transfer via USB if needed. If the calculator freezes or behaves oddly, reboot with Ctrl+On. Then check for OS updates using the TI Nspire computer link. If a file won't open,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.